everyone, Vincenzo here with a new ukulele tutorial. This week, let's get into the Christmas spirit and let's learn a chord melody of one of my favorite Christmas songs, Silent Night. This chord melody is simple to play, but I added a few extra touches to make it a bit more interesting. Before starting with this, let me tell you that if you're new to chord melody, you should check out this video where I tell you all the most important things about it. Having said that, let's get started. So you start with the fourth, the third and the second string open. This is basically a C major chord, but you don't play anything on the first string because G is the note played in the melody and so it has to be your top note. You carry on and you have first string open, then fourth string open, and then third and second string open. Let's put these first two measures together. 2, 3. By the way, this piece is in 3/4, this is why I counted to 3. And one more thing, for my right hand, I'm using the thumb for the fourth string, the index for the third one, the middle finger for the second one, and the ring finger for the first one. I will be doing that throughout the entire tutorial. For the next two measures, you could simply repeat what you've just learned, but if you want to play something different, give this a go. So you are on measure 3 if you're following from the PDF, and you have open fourth and third string and fret 3, then open fourth and third string, 5, slide to 3, and then open fourth and third string and 12. All together, 2, 3. Now let's move on to the next part. Here you have open fourth string, 5, 3 and 5, which is a kind of G7, then 5, and then open fourth string, open third string, 3 and 2. Let's put these two measures together, 2, 3. Okay, let's carry on. Now you have two simple measures of C. In the first one you play a C sus4, so open, open, 1 and 3, and then fret 3, and then a C. You could have played C for both measures, but adding the suspended chord makes it more interesting. So again, 2, 3. By the way, if you want to know more about suspended chords, I have an entire tutorial on them for you. You can find it in the description. So let's play the entire arrangement up to here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see what you have next. So you have an F major, then open fourth and first string, then another F major, but this time with fret number 3, C as the top note, which you should be playing with your pinky so that then you can comfortably play fret number 2, and then just the open first string. All together, 2, 3. Then you repeat what you have learned for the first two measures. Let's put it together with the F major part. And by the way, this part starts from measure 9 if you're following from the tabs. 1, 2, 3. By the way, I played this twice because that's how the song goes. Now you're ready to work on the final part. So you have open fourth string, 5, 3 and 5, then 5, then open fourth string, 7, 7 and 8, and after that you have open fourth string and 10 and slide to 7, then open fourth and third string and 8, and then the same chord with the addition of fret number 7 on the first string. By the way, these are all alternative ways of playing C. Let's put it together now. 1, 2, 3. let's see how this arrangement ends. So you have a C major, then open 4th string, and then open 3rd and 2nd string. Now you move to G and you have open 4th string 2 and 3, then open 4th string 5 and 3, back to open 4th string 2 and 3, and the arrangement ends on a C5 chord. So open 4th and 3rd string, 3 and 3. All together, 2, 3, and the arrangement is over. You might have noticed that sometimes I don't pluck all the strings at the same time. So for example, for the last chord I did this instead of this. I do this because it makes it sound more melodic and also a bit more emotional. If you find it too difficult, don't worry about it. It doesn't really matter that much. Now let's play the entire arrangement slowly. 1, 2, 3. And now let's have a play along at the tempo that I recommend for this arrangement, 88 BPM. The aim of this tutorial was to teach you a simple yet interesting chord melody that you can enjoy playing during the festive season. On my Patreon page you can find the tabs and the backing tracks that you need for practicing this. You have 3 backing tracks, one at the original tempo, one slower and another one even slower. And don't forget that if you learned something from this video and you would like to say thank you, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. That's all for now. Let me know in the comments if you managed to learn this arrangement. And if you want to learn more Christmas songs, check out the description for more tutorials. By the way, if you're thinking about Christmas presents for your ukulele friends, I have a special offer going on. Give them one-to-one ukulele lessons and I'm sure they'll love you forever. You can find all the information in the description. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my new tutorials. Having said that, thank you very much for watching and Merry Christmas! Ciao!